So let's get started with a new DScore dashboard. The first difference you see is the new My Customers column, which is pretty great because there you have an overview of all customers, dentists and labs, which have added you as a preferred lab and want to do business with you. In this example, we see customers. One of them hasn't sent us an order yet, but still shows up in our customer list because they added us as a preferred lab. When opening a customer, labs will find 4 tabs to navigate. Profile, this contains info like customer address and contact details of the clinicians. Then we see the orders, where we have an overview of all linked orders to these customers. We also have the collaboration tab where we see the received shares from this customer. And last but not least, we have the patients tab. Here we have all our patients and files attached to that customer. Opening the patient tab brings you to the received upload files belonging to this patient. There are 2 possibilities for you as a lab to save files here. Manual upload of new files into the patient record, or save case files from an incoming order directly into your patient record.